Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an origami fish. Let's start with a square piece of origami paper, ideally 6 inches by 6 inches. First, fold your paper diagonally in half, creating a triangle, and then unfold it. Next, repeat this diagonal fold in the opposite direction and unfold the paper once more. This creates 2 intersecting crease lines, which are essential for our next steps. Get ready for some fun folding. Now let's create the water bomb base, a fundamental origami fold. If your paper has a white side, flip it over. Gently bring the top and bottom corners together, allowing the sides to naturally collapse inward along your existing creases. Carefully flatten the paper, ensuring all edges align neatly. You should now have a smaller square shape, which is our water bomb base, ready for the next exciting steps. With your water bomb base ready, let's start shaping our fish. Position the base so the open end faces downwards like a small pouch. Take the bottom 2 corners and fold them upwards, aligning their edges with the central crease line. Press down firmly to create sharp creases. These folds will begin to define the main body of your fish, giving it a distinct, recognizable form. You're doing great. For the final touches, let's add the tail and fins. Take the top layer of the bottom point and fold it downwards, creating a triangular shape for the tail. Next, make small diagonal folds on each side of the body to form the fins. You can also gently curve the paper to give your fish a more three-dimensional and lifelike appearance. Congratulations! You've just made an adorable origami fish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.